Have you ever tried to impress everyone and ended up alone? What if your best moments online became the reason nobody helped you in real life? And what if the twist is, the quiet version of you was the one people truly needed? Once upon a time, in a modern American town with busy streets and bright school hallways, there lived a 17-year-old boy named Ryan. Ryan was smart, talented, and secretly insecure. He had a clean smile, messy hair, and a phone that never left his hand. Ryan wasn't rich, but he always wanted to look like he was doing better than everyone. He worked hard in school, joined clubs, and won small awards. And every time something good happened, he posted it online. A photo of his perfect test score, a picture of a trophy, a selfie with a caption that sounded confident. Ryan told himself that if people saw his success, they would respect him. But deep down, he wasn't posting because he was proud. He was posting because he was afraid of being ordinary. At first, it felt amazing. Friends liked his posts and commented with praise. Some classmates who never talked to him began noticing him in the hallway. Teachers smiled at him more, and Ryan started to believe he had finally become someone important. But slowly, something changed. The comments became shorter. The likes became fewer. Some students rolled their eyes when he walked by, whispering that he always showed off. Ryan pretended he didn't care, but he cared deeply. To bring the attention back, he started posting even more. Every small victory became another post. He didn't realize that people were no longer inspired. They were simply tired of it. The truth was painful. Ryan didn't actually feel confident. He only looked confident on a screen. One evening, Ryan sat in his room staring at his phone, smiling at his profile like it proved he mattered. His father's voice came from the kitchen, quiet and worried. Ryan's dad had worked a stable job for years, but recently the company had been struggling. Ryan didn't pay much attention. He was focused on writing a new caption for his latest post. The next day at school, Ryan acted confident as always. He joked with classmates and carried himself proudly. But at home, things were beginning to change. Bills were stacking up. His father grew quieter every day. Ryan kept posting happy moments because he didn't want anyone to see weakness. He believed showing struggle would make him look less successful. So he hid the truth and kept wearing his mask. If you love emotional English stories like this, subscribe to English Story Academy channel for interesting, simple, and powerful B1, B2 English listening stories with real-life lessons. Then it happened. One night, Ryan heard his father say the words that made the room feel cold. "I lost my job." Ryan froze where he stood, and his mother covered her mouth in shock. His father sat down slowly like the weight of the world had fallen onto his shoulders. The next morning, Ryan went to school carrying a painful secret. For the first time in years, he didn't feel like posting anything. After school, he scrolled through his old photos, his trophies and smiling selfies. Suddenly he realized none of those images could help him now. That night, Ryan did something new. He messaged several people and asked if he could talk. Minutes passed, then hours. No replies came. Some messages were left unseen. The screen that once gave him attention now gave him silence. Ryan's heart sank even deeper the next day at school. As he walked down the hallway, he overheard two boys laughing nearby. One of them said, "Did you see Ryan's message? Now he wants sympathy." Ryan felt like ice had been poured inside his chest. In that moment, he understood the painful truth. People didn't see him as a real person anymore. They saw him as a performance, a highlight reel trying to impress them. Ryan walked into the bathroom and locked himself in a stall. His eyes burned and his hands trembled. He wasn't crying because life had become difficult. He was crying because he realized the image he created had taken away his humanity. That night, Ryan didn't post anything. Instead, he quietly deleted a few captions that sounded arrogant. Sitting in the dark with his phone in his hand, he realized he had helped create this situation. But then he made a decision. He couldn't change what people thought overnight, but he could change who he was becoming. Over the next week, Ryan stopped trying to impress everyone. Instead, he began helping quietly. He joined a tutoring group after school and helped struggling students. He volunteered to organize books in the library. Ryan also found a small part-time job to help his family. There were no photos and no captions this time, only real effort. Months passed and Ryan's life slowly stabilized. His family still faced challenges, but they supported each other more than before. One afternoon, a student Ryan had helped stopped him in the hallway and thanked him sincerely. Another student said Ryan had changed in a good way. Ryan didn't know what to say, so he simply nodded with a quiet smile. Later that week, a teacher told him he had been recommended for a leadership program. It wasn't because of trophies or social media posts, but because of his character. Walking home under a warm sunset, Ryan understood something important. Respect feels better when it comes from who you are. Moral of the story: don't show off to be loved, be real to be respected. Attention is loud, but character is what stays. Subscribe to English Story Academy channel for more emotional and powerful English listening stories.